It could be a household work like mopping the floor, cleaning. We need energy, right? Energy, we get it from food. So we need energy for doing each and everything, like cooking food, for lighting our houses, for the power on of television or computer. For each and everything we need energy. So always remember, we need energy to do every kind of work, to do everything. And from where does this energy come from? ये energy कहाँ से आती है? So we are going to read about the sources of energy. So basically there are two kind of sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources are the sources that do not run out. Means it's unlimited, it's plenty. Like sunshine, wind, water, all these are renewable sources of energy. And non-renewable sources of the energy are that is limited, like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and it takes millions and billions of years for them to form. They are also known as fossil fuels. So sources of energy, number one, sun, as we know, is the main source of energy on earth. Not only it gives us heat and light, it is very important because it gives out solar energy. And what is this solar energy? This solar energy is used by the plants to prepare food, photosynthesis, you remember. And this solar energy is also used to produce electricity, as it is clear by the picture, solar panels. Okay, you must have seen solar panels. We have it in school also, solar panels. So it is used to convert this heat and light energy into electricity. Next one is wind. Another source of energy is wind. So with the help of the wind, electricity is generated with the help of the windmills. Water. So you must have seen, it's also known as hydroelectricity, means electricity that is generated with the help of water. Okay, in the dams the water is being collected, and this fast flowing water is used to generate electricity. As it falls over the turbine and the turbine starts moving, electricity is generated. Next one is fuels. So fuels, just now we have discussed, they are non-renewable sources of energy. So when we burn them, the energy is released. Example of fuels are coal, petroleum, then oil, cooking gas. All these are the example of fossil fuels. Next is atomic energy. So as we have already discussed in the previous chapter, that each and everything in this world is made up of atoms or molecules. When these atoms are being splitted, they are being broken, some energy is being released, that is called atomic energy, and it is used to generate electricity. Okay, energy can never be created or destroyed. It can be changed from one form to another form. Next one, forms of energy. So you can see here the different forms of energy, like chemical energy, heat, electrical, mechanical, sound. These are the magnetic. These are the different forms of energy. So some conversations of energy. We are going to give you some examples how energy can be converted from one form to another form. When we light a candle, okay, it converts the chemical energy of wax into heat and light energy. So this is how the energy changes its form. It can never be created or destroyed. So do revise the same topic from the book itself. Bye.